Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover to your Canva design. This feature is perfect for creating video presentations, social media content, or any project where you want to narrate over your visuals. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Once your project is loaded and ready, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see several menu options. Click on Elements to access Canva's library of design components and media tools. Within the Elements menu, you'll notice different categories at the top. Navigate to the Audio section and click on See All. This opens up Canva's complete audio library, giving you access to various sound options, including music tracks and, importantly, the voiceover recording feature we need for this tutorial. Now, look for the option that says Record Voiceover and click on it. This launches Canva's built-in recording interface, which allows you to capture audio directly within the platform without needing any external recording software. Before you start recording, you'll want to make sure your microphone is properly configured. Click on the microphone settings icon, which typically appears as a small gear or setting symbol. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the microphone you want to use for recording. This is especially important if you have multiple audio input devices connected to your computer. Once your microphone is set up, you're ready to start recording. Click the record button to begin. At this point, your design will start playing through its timeline, and you can speak your script or narration as the visuals move along. This synchronization makes it easy to time your voiceover perfectly with what's happening on screen. Take your time and speak clearly, as Canva is capturing everything in real time. When you finish recording your entire voiceover, click Finish. Canva will automatically add your recorded audio to the design's timeline. If you need to make adjustments like trimming the beginning or end of your recording or repositioning where the audio sits within your project, open the video timeline at the bottom of the screen. Here you can fine-tune the placement and duration of your voiceover to ensure everything syncs up exactly how you want it. Finally, to export your project with the voiceover included, click Share at the top right corner of the screen. Select Download from the menu, then choose MP4 video as your file format. This ensures your voiceover is properly embedded in the final video file. And there you have it, you've successfully added a professional voiceover to your Canva design. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.